It was a night of googlies in Dubai, and not just the balls that were left behind by the batsmen. Apparently, India's wrist spinners bowled 25 of them, 11 of which went the other way, 44%. That was enough to keep the UAE batsmen guessing, including Harshit Kaushik, who was dismissed by a big turning delivery from Kuldeep Yadav. Yet, for all the trouble the googly caused, it wasn't the sharpest trick of the evening. The big ones came from places you wouldn't expect. The first one came before the ball was bowled. India's men hadn't won the toss in 15 international matches, so when the coin finally fell their way, you knew the day had already taken a turn. Surya Kumar Yadav, standing next to Mohammad Wasim, added his own touch to the moment, flipping the coin saying, "Idhar mat dekho, don't look here." The team had its own back-of-the-hand delivery. Jitesh Sharma was dropped after a long net session and hours of fielding drills with T. Dilip. The gloves were handed over to Sanju Samson, who has not been seen much in India's net sessions, but player Surya Kumar Yadav promised that the team would really take care of him. Samson opened in Shubman Gill's absence for most of last year, but has now been placed in the middle order at number 5, having had a brief trial in the position in Zimbabwe, but has not been able to do much since. How the move will play out is anyone's guess. Kuldeep Yadav is also back, having been overlooked for 5 tests in England, even on pitches that were flatter and drier than in the UK in recent memory, and has now been selected on a grass surface for his first T20 since the World Cup final in Barbados. "It was tough for me," Kuldeep said in his post-match presentation. "I've been working on my bowling and fitness with Adrian, and tonight everything came together. In this format, length is the key, understanding what the batsmen are trying to do and reacting ball by ball." Arshdeep Singh was completely absent from the team, even with his distinct left-arm angle, whose nervous 19th over was a third of the reason India won the T20 World Cup trophy. And then there was Shivam Dube, a seam bowling all-rounder selected in the UAE, where spinners are usually expected to play a major role. He bowled 2 overs, the same number of wickets he took for his IPL team last season, and finished with 3 wickets, 2 more than he had taken in the last 5 IPL seasons. He may not have become the all-rounder he once promised, but in Dubai, he made everything with the ball count thanks to his work with bowling coach Mone Morkel. "The captain and coach told me beforehand that I would bowl," he said. "During the England series, Mone gave me some important tips. He told me to use the crease and bowl from outside, and advised me on my slow deliveries and run-ups. Because of these changes, I've been able to bowl well. I feel confident with my pace and the ball in hand." Even the spectators seem to be different than usual. An India game usually comes with a guarantee of a crowd, noise, and a factory atmosphere of flags and slogans. Instead, on the weekend in Dubai, the stadium was not even half full and silent. On the field, perhaps the strangest thing was that Jasprit Bumrah looked the most talked about of India's bowlers only when he bowled a perfect yorker to Alishan Sharaf. His fastest ball barely touched 140, and he ended the night as the most expensive of India's wicket takers. India's attack lacked its usual teeth. The UAE had their own twist, having been bowled out for 57 after being bowled out for 2 for 41. Their coach Lalchand Rajput later said his players were overwhelmed by the opportunity. The outburst itself was unexpected, adding another twist to the night. India's big names were all over them, and he said, "We should have batted 20 overs. These spinners are rare because even wrist spinners like Varun Chakravarti struggle against them." What was not googly was the gap between the teams. It still looked as wide as it had been, nor was Abhishek Sharma's batting, which came as advertised and hit a 6 off the first ball. But around those 2 facts, almost everything on the night twisted and turned and carried its own spins.